Hello friends, this is Wael Bashuri, math and physics teacher. In this video I'm going to explain to you how to solve using cosine rule. Let's imagine here you have a triangle ABC. So this is A, B and C. Now the sides usually are small letters. So side opposite angle A is small letter A. Side opposite angle C is small letter C. Side opposite angle B is small letter B. Now, the cosine rule is used to calculate one of the sides or one of the angles. So the cosine rule is very easy. It states that b squared, if you start with b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac cosine angle b. And if you start with letter A, so you can say a squared is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cosine angle A, which is the angle between the two sides. And if you start with letter C, in this case you have to say c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine C. Let's do a small example here. So imagine you have a triangle ABC in which you have here 10 and here 8. This angle is 50 degrees. So the question, find side x. So in order to find x, what you need to do is the following. You start with x, so you can see x squared is equal to 10 squared plus 8 squared minus 2 times 10 times 8 times cosine angle 50. Then you put this on the calculator as it is and you do square root. So x is equal to the root of the whole of these. You get the value of x. Okay, another idea is where to use the cosine rule. In a different question, we might give you three sides. For example, we can tell you this side is 10 and this is 11 and this is 12. Find angle theta here. Also, in this case, you can use cosine rule. So for example, here you have to start with 12. So you can do 12 squared is equal to 10 squared plus 11 squared minus 2 times 10 times 11 times cosine theta. And then from here, you can make cosine theta the subject of the equation. So take 10 squared, 11 squared to the left side. 12 squared minus 10 squared minus 11 squared is equal to negative 2 times 10 times 11 times cosine theta. Next step, we divide both sides by this amount, which is the coefficient of theta. So negative 2 times 10 times 11, negative 2 times 10 times 11. Now cancel these. Cosine theta has become now subject on the right hand side. Cosine theta is equal to this amount, 12 squared minus 10 squared minus 11 squared divided by minus 2 times 10 times 11. From here, what you need to do is to get this fraction from the calculator, and then you can do cosine theta is equal to this number here that you get from the calculator. Then theta is equal to cosine inverse of this amount, and then you get the value of theta. Thank you very much indeed for watching.